Nandito siya pag morning. Nagpa-park. Near this corner. Corner ng Lamista, Toast Original Toasted, Siopaw, and the Old Haro Municipal Mall. Just across the plaza. Plaza is at our back. And this is the way north. Palabas na ng Iloilo City. And I'll show you later yung terminal ng van and Ceres bus. For this vlog, I would like to thank all my sponsors. More sponsors! Talaga sponsor! Of course, all of you who are watching my vlog since our first Panay loop from Capi is going to Aklan, then our second episode from Aklan going to Antique, then our third is Antique going Iloilo. Thank you so much. Currently it's 2:30 in the evening and we are about to go out to the district of Haro. And palawas na po tayo ng Haro. At tulad nga ng sinabi ko sa inyo, this will be our shout out vlog. So get ready na sa mga sisigawan natin. Malaking shout out sa inyong lahat. Unang-una sa lahat ay sisimula natin sa ating kaibigan na nag-challenge na mag-Tagalog lamang sa vlog. Hype na hype tayo sa simula, no? Ngayon, pagod na talaga. Hindi. Kasi, magaling na ako ngayon mag-Tagalog. Kaya, hindi na tayo nakahay. Kala mo totoo eh, no? Tapos maya-maya mag-i-English. Tapos maya-maya, iligay nununan. Ay, naku. So ngayon, bago ko sabihin yung pangalan ng ating kaibigan na nag-challenge sa atin na mag-Tagalog lamang, ay pupunapit tayo sa labas ng Haro District. Ay, sa Tabuk-Subak na po tayo. Oh. Dito tayo ay hindi pala ako makaka-shortcut. Sana tayo sa circumferential kung saan doon ako parating dumadaan. Kaso kailangan ko palang ipakita sa inyo yung Ceres Terminal at Van Terminal. So magdediretso tayo. Magdediretso ano ba yan? Didiretso tayo ngayon papuntang Zaranga. Zaranga. Ito na tayo sa Tagbak Terminal. So from Haro Plaza, you could ride Haro na jeep, Haro Liko, para diretso kayo sa terminal, or you could ride Leganes na jeep. Leganes na jeep will also be passing by Ceres Terminal. On our left is LTO. On our right is Lika. Wala na. No! It's not a sign that I will sleep. No, we cannot sleep. So, ayun, we spent 7 liters from Antique going to Iloilo, and we'll have our car film namin na Eyes on the Road. Our entry last year for Road. And of course, I would like to thank everyone who watched and who voted our film, A Day in LA, during a pandemic. And nag-release na yung Road ng result last week. Unfortunately, we were not included on the winners, but we are part of the first 2,000 na nag-pass ng entries, kaya we will be receiving a gift pack from Road. I still have not posted and edited our video with my gift last year, and we also unboxed my gift from Road. Yes, I got a microphone last year, and that's the microphone I used this year for our entry. What a wonderful experience with Road microphone. And next year, we're already planning for our entry. I hope we could push through our entry for next year. I'm a little excited for next year. Hopefully, the pandemic is over so that we could go out and shoot outside with the cast and crew that we have planned for this year's shoot. So this is the intersection I was talking about. If you turn left, this is going to the circumferential road. So circumferential road is circumferential road. Shortcut siya, and it will go directly to Putoteng. Grabe naman yung mga truck, ayaw mag-pa-insure there. But we will be going straight so that you will see the terminal, Ceres Terminal and Terminal ng van. You could see there, nandun na yung Ceres na bus. Maya-maya ay nasa Ceres Terminal na tayo. You could see a cooler. Cooler? What's cooler? Color yellow. There na sign. Medyo marami-raming sign ng color yellow. Then that's the Ceres Terminal. And of course, the yellow building. Yellow one. Now, yeah. Here we are. Ceres bus will turn left. I guess so. And this is the terminal. I think you can see it, but yeah. There. The Ceres just turned left to the terminal. And we go straight on the right side. Maya-maya. Ay, saan na natin pala? Ano, not yet. Yung terminal ng van going to Capiz. So if you are going north, you could drive north ng Iloilo. You could ride the Ceres bus here, and the van naman, nasa na yung van? Tagal na tayo hindi nakapag-commute eh. So, nakalimutan ko na ata kung saan yung van. Wait lang. Here. If you are going to the north side of Iloilo, pwede kayong sumakay dito sa Ceres Terminal. Then, dito yung Tagbak Terminal. Here, yan, ayun na. You see the sign? Rojas Buyo. Buyo Transport. If you're going to Rojas City, Calibo, Aklan, Kapitlan. Ayan. Gusto mo mag-van, dito ka sa right side. If gusto mo mag-bus, doon kayo sa Ceres na bus. Then we also have here, on the left side, yung Tagbak Terminal. Dito din yung ibang van going to Rojas, going to Kapitlan. We have Akasha Tours here on the left, and of course sa mga papalabas ng mga jeepneys. Iloilo City going outside, like pupunta kang Totan, other municipalities, pupunta kang Pasig palabas na wala na palang tulog. Ito na ito kayo na chip codex. Yan are 5:30, I guess 2, 3, 4, 5, 5:30, 3 hours. Doon na tayo sa Rojas. And there you go. So that's not the end of our vlog, but that's where you could ride the van and Cirrus if you're going to Capiz. Now, I would like to make our first shout out. First shout out, yung una kong shout out, una kong sisigawan ay ang kaibigan natin na let's nag-challenge. Hindi naman naghihikayat. Naghikayat is to encourage. So, hindi siya nag-encourage eh. Challenge siya. Basta nag-challenge sa atin na mag-Tagalog lamang. Basta ulit. Challenge. She's my office mate 5 years ago. And nag-click kaming dalawa kasi she's a dancer and I too am a dancer. Wow! You're not filming dancer. No, actually I'm an actor. I'm confident that I'm an actor. Next naman! Kabili! Yeah, I'm a dancer slash a singer. Check out my previous vlog from Antigua going to Iloilo. Kumanta po tayo. Next naman! Yun, naging click kami dahil we had a presentation, a dance presentation. Christmas 2018. So, di kami naging magkaibigan dahil sa pagsasayaw. No, I'm actually not a dancer, a professional dancer, but I do dance during PE. Confident and highly 100% na masasabi kong best dancer sa PE. Yun! Sino dyan ang mga best dancer sa PE nila? Yung kasagsagan ng pag-aaral nyo. Kasagsagan! Big word! Grabe. And she is a... Taga-saan ka ba? Tapos hindi alam kung taga-saan no? Hindi, basta Tagalog siya. And so, after that, naging close kami and alam niya, every time I visit them, sabi ko, okay, I will try not to speak any English word. I will try not to speak any Hiligaynon word. I just talking Tagalog in front of people. Dalawa ka tatlo kami magkaibigan. And in an hour over lunch break, I would try to speak 100% Tagalog. And she knows how hard it is for me. So, good. If ever they... Sila sa Johnny talaga. Nakasadya niya kausapin ako para magsalita ako. Tapos, siyempre over lunch, mas pipiliin ko na lang na kumain, na tumahimik kasi sa makikipag sa kanila. Tapos, magbibigas ako ng salitang Ingles, salita. Hiligay nun. Wala namang penalty, wala namang piso bawat. Diba yun yung noon, ng elementary tayo. Piso bawat hindi nagsasalit vernacular language. Sukot ng piso, tapos magiging class fund. Na nadaanan nyo din ba yun? Yung mga ganyan ng elementary. Wala naman tayong ganyan. Pero, they're checking on my language. Kasi, nung nag-meet kami, sabi ko nga, I'm having a hard time speaking in Filipino, speaking in Tagalog. So, there would be times that I will be speaking in English or else we'll be spending the whole day explaining our routine, our dance routine, our presentation. So, yun na. So, nag-umpisa na akong mag-Tagalog, biglaan, pag-umpisa ko na ng salita ng English, then may nakikita na akong mga kilay tumataas. Yung kaibigan ko, pumatawa na nga. Kasi alam niya na mahirap talaga, mahirap for me. And for yun nga sinabi ko sa first vlog natin, mahirap in general, in all Ilonggos. To, lalo na pag unang beses mong umalis sa Iloilo and you start speaking in 100% Filipino, 100% Tagalog, which is very difficult for us. So we opted to speak in English para mas mabilisan yung conversation and we could be able to express ourselves clearly. But if you don't understand that language barrier, kahit lahat tayo Pilipino, we still live in different islands. So language barrier, the difficulty in speaking the same language do exist. Hindi lang siya porket foreigner yung kausap mo, eh, yun lang nagkakaiba or nagkakaroon ng language barrier. No. Even as Filipinos, we also have language barriers. We have different, multiple dialects, multiple languages within the Philippines. Kaya sana naiintindihan nyo din na mahirap sa amin. And it's not our intention to say, intimidate you dahil nag-English kami. Yan. And she was one of the people I like because she understands my weakness in speaking in Filipino, speaking in Tagalog, and now she's challenging me. She's challenging me to speak 100% Filipino. And I do appreciate her existence. Existence talaga. Dahil sa kanya sa nakikikayat ako na ngayon ko nagagamitin yung salitang encourage. Dahil sa kanyang challenge, I'm even encouraged to practice more my Filipino speaking skills para at least lumawak pa yung coverage ng ating vlog. Pero yun nga, kanina pa ako hindi nagsasalita rin ng Tagalog ng Filipino. Hinihingan ako. Baka hindi tayo makabot ng puro na lang Tagalog talaga yung bibigkasin ko. Either I keep quiet na lang later. Well, so yun. I had so mahaba-haba na yung introduction ko sa kanya. So isang malaking shout out! Shout out! Mariel Gutierrez! Dun 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 dun! Merry Christmas! Happy birthday! Merry Christmas! Ano? Yan, thank you so much for challenging me. I'm really challenged. Pero yun nga. Hindi pa! Naka-apat na tayong episode, hindi pa nagsisimula yung challenge. Talo ako! Buti na lang walang what do you call that? Walang dare, walang multa, walang piso bawat salitang hindi Tagalog, diba? Talo ako! Imagine, 5 hours na travel, tapos ilang salita yun? Ngayon, we spent how many hours earlier? Then another 2 to 3 hours to travel. Mayaman na kayo. Mayaman na kayo ngayong December. Kung tutuloy natin kung nag-piso multa ako, diba? Pero hindi. No. Sige lang. Sa susunod, hindi ko pa kaya. Ngayon ensayo to for me. 11 hours ng ensayo natin sa salita. Trying not to speak in dapat yung title pala nito. No hiligay non-word challenge yan. Para at least pwede akong mag-shift into Filipino and English magiging sagabal yung pagkakaintindihan natin. Pasimula na yung ano ko eh. Nasimula na yung hingal ko eh. Punta na ako ng vocabulary. Okay. So, number 2 na ba tayo? Number 2 na tayo na ano eh. Eto, yung shortcut na daanan, if you turn left, para shortcut yon. Pero dito, daan tayo ng Municipality of Zaraga. So, diretso tayo para makita yung Zaraga na plaza. If you use the shortcut siya, pero hindi nyo na makikita yung Zaraga na plaza. So, here, subayan natin siya. Dito, dadaan tayo ng Zaraga. Okay. Yan, kita niyo yung may nag-cross pala. Doon na tayo na. We are now entering Zaraga. And if you are going to the north, kung saan ang ating Miss Universe nakatira, you will be turning right. But since we are going to Mapius, we will be turning left. Okay. So, yung babagsakan na dito sa front, Senior Heart Academy. Yan, that van came from the north side of the Iloilo. So, turning right. Yung lugar ni Miss Universe. And we are turning left now. If we pass the Y kanina, yung split na road shortcut yun, dito siya lalabas. Yan, kung saan lumabas yung pick up na orange, golden orange. Okay, so we are now here in the municipality of Zaraga. Now, I'll show you later kung saan lalabas yung mga sasakyan if we happen to pass by the circumferential road. Kung saan yung labasan. You will be seeing, paggabi may lights din sa floor. Kung doon tayo, I mean, yeah, your signal, your sign, yeah, your sign, your cue that you have to turn or to get inside the circumferential road is when the lights are switched on sa floor. May light yung floor. Maya-maya, makikita na natin doon, Zaraga Sports Arena. Mamaya na yung second na shoutout. Bantayan muna natin yung intersection. We are still in Zaraga. Matagal-tagal na din akong hindi nakadaan dito kasi usually I pass by the circumferential road. At this hour kasi walang tao doon. Compared if you pass by Zaraga, yung possibility ng traffic is very high since it's there's a residential commercial area. Ito kasi it's the shortcut and highway sa kumbaga. Dito ay hindi pa. So this is the main road for service buses and vans. Yan, eto. Dito nga. Dito siya on the left side. Yung labasan ng circumferential road. So you'll see a big warehouse here and a few meters away is yung Petron na gasoline station. So now we are in Pataten. Pataten, this is the hometown of my mother. We have our ancestral house here. If you have seen our birthday celebration for Bubuet last year, we went to our ancestral house in Pataten. Now, we have our second sa David sa group chat. Oh! Nando ka to, Nando! Alam mo, pag nandito talaga ako sa road na to, naantok ako, I don't know why. Hindi na kasi the sun is on my left side. Hindi kahit morning eh. Early morning, I also travel 5 a.m. Dito. Kasi masyadong totally it's so maliwanag. I'm not using my sunglasses now. So I can't take my sunglasses since it's inside my bag, but I have here on top. Let's try to wear it to avoid me getting drowsy later. Drive safely. Yes, drive safely. There you go. It's quite nice. Then let's have our guys here. Move it on the left. At least kahit paano, kahit maliit po tayo, may mga sun rays din na nasa stop. So there you go, straight tayo. And go! We are now in the intersection. If we go left, that goes to the municipality of Lunuset. If we go right, that's the part of Butotan and going straight to Butotan pa rin. Dito na sa right, pagpunta ka ng Mina. Mina dito din pala yung Iyak. Yun din sa pag-back terminal. Hey, go! Padaan mo muna ito. Thank you. You could drive there din pala ng jeepney. Hi. So, follower 7 shout out. He is part of the blog of vloggers and content creators. As a vlogger, his content is about biking. Yes, he is a bike enthusiast. A bike vlogger? How's that? A travel vlogger. A cyclist vlogger. He lives in. Baka nagkamali ako. Hindi ko alam kung taga saan siya. Of course, Ilonggo siya. But I believe, please correct me if I'm wrong. He lives in Aklan, tama ba? Aklan, Boracay, to be exact. Hindi ba? Mukhang mali ata ako ah. Hindi, oo. Mukhang mali ako. Tama ba? Please comment down below. Are you with me? Yeah, rock and roll. He is no other than Christian! Well, I haven't met Christian yet. He is Christian Official. Please do subscribe to his YouTube channel, Christian Official. And love it on the link at the description box. Please do subscribe to his YouTube channel, Christian. That's K-R-I-X. Bakit siya kaya X, no? Wala na yung X mo, Christian. Kidding aside, yeah. That's K-R-I-S. X-I-A-N. Christian Official. So surely we will be coming back to Iloilo. Uy, this property is for sale. Wow, this is a good vibe. Pero tingin ko mahal yun. Let's try to take a picture when we're back. Next. Honestly, ang gandang isip ko. Pero I don't have any money. So, I'm kind of poor. Alam mo, nung bata pa ako, gusto kong kumain ng mga hotcake, tapos kain ng pineapple juice. Tapos na-allergic tayo. Ngayon nga, yung aircon, pag tumagal, masakit sa lalamunan. Nakamask ako, kaya medyo okay na rin. Kalimutan ko yung ano ko eh. What? Surgical mask talaga. Dito. Yeah, this is the road talaga. Papuntang palabas ng Totonda. And we are still in the province of Iloilo. There. So, are you up for our third shout out? Sino bang third natin na shout out? Sisi Gawan. Uy, ito. Isang vlogger din. Isang vlogger. I haven't seen him yet. I just knew him in one of my vlogging groups also. Do you see the province of Caninas Christian? Tingin ko. I'm not sure talaga Christian. Taga saan ka? Hindi ka is from Aklaya. I could remember he's from Aklaya. Our next na shout out is from the province of Cavite. Yeah. So eto, another intersection going to the right, Bingley. While diretso is going to Capiz. So before ko i-announce ang pangatlo, sisigawan natin. Shout out ay magkukwento muna ako doon sa intersection ng Bingley. The first time I traveled Iloilo to Capiz na nag-long drive ako, I was with my mother and my sister. No, I was just with my mother that time. Wait. Yeah, I was with my sister, but she came from a seminar and she's the speaker and organizer at the same time, their organization. So, pagod na pagod siya. So, instead na siya yung nagde-drive ng sasakyan, which usually siya naman talaga yung nagde-drive, ay ako yung pinag-drive. Then, that time, this is my first time to have a long drive. nagbabiyahe. Hindi lumiliko yung route papuntang Capiz. As I could remember, check on the map. Kaya, nag-stop ako over the corner. Buti na lang, biglaan, may dumaan na Ceres na bus. Dumaan yung Ceres na bus. Malaki siya, sabi ko, Nanay, that's going to Katiklan. That's going to Boracay. Malaki yung bus eh. Yan yung mga papuntang Boracay na bus eh. Kaya, mali yung dinadaanan natin. Buti may dumaan ka na bus niya. Ganitong kalaking bus. Ay, di maliit pala yan, maliit. That's regular na bus. Aircon na malaki yung papuntang Katiklan eh. Sabi ko, mali. Mali yung dinaanan natin. Hindi ako linig na dapat. Kung nakita namin yung bus, eh ngayon, ano kami? Nag-U-turn ako. Nung nag-U-turn ako, then, nagising mga dito na banda siguro. Nagising yung kapatid ko. Wow, muntik na tayo ba na? Buti na namin dumaan ng bus. Yun, balik kami and we were able to reach Capiz that night. Gabi doon eh, gabi yun eh. After ng training niya, mga alas 3, alas 4, alas 5 siguro, alas 5. That was 2017, I think. 2017. 3 years ago. Tagal na din pala akong nagdadrive ah. Naka-graduate ako. Hindi, 2018. 2018 akong graduate. Yeah, 2018. Kasi I already have my license that time. Ayan, napadating din kami. Pero syempre, at least because of that experience, alam ko na yun yung intersection papuntang Binli. And this one, straight, so papuntang Capiz, straight ka lang doon. What's the moral of the story? Kahit meron tayong sinusundan, kailangan mag-aral din tayo. Hindi yung magde-defend lang tayo kasi baka iba yung goal nila sa buhay. Defend lang yung defend. Like in a relationship, di ba? You go in pairs and of course your partner has her own personal goals. Hindi sa lahat ng bagay, the same kind of patutunguhan. You put it halfway, malamang punta sa hanggang pero makikita niyo naman kayo ulit dun sa dulo. Diba? You can just go straight. May pinag-uugutan! Sabi, lumita yung ano ko. Lumita yung boses ko. Mamaya wala na akong boses ko yan. Nagkilig-kilig ako wala ng boses. My God! Well, anyway. Going back to our third shout out. Yeah! Ay, kasamahan din natin a vlogger from the province of Capiz. He is paano ba? Lifestyle vlogs. Yun. Sometimes I have seen unboxing. Nag-unbox siya ng cellphone. Lately, nag-unbox siya ng scooter. To help him sa kanyang work. Yan yung nagiging service niya. Scooter. Nauso niya yun eh. Kasi pag nagpapadyak ka, tulad ni Christian na biker, minsan pagdating mo sa office, pagod ka nakakapadyak. So at least yung scooter, bahay niyo siya, you could say hi to her. So for our third shout out, kasama din namin yun, yung tagaluhan niya sa Gupong Solido. Our third shout out, yung member ng Gupong Solido, for me, Danielers! Yehey! Fermin Danieles, isa, masigabong. Pagsigaw sa iyo! Shout out yan for me! Woo, woo, woo! Alright! Now we are here on Pasig! Pasig is the boundary. No. Ilo. Ah. Pasig. tayo. Wala, ang taga. Ang layo pa pala ng bridge. Sorry, akala ko nandito na yung bridge. Maya. Ayun. Kikita ko na si John. So, nung live ako, that time, ay live din siya. Tapos, na 143. So, kung napanood nyo yung live ko, Facebook Live, when I announced our giveaway, yung laman tayo. Alam nila kung sino ang pang-apat na sisigawan at then, ang nagsabing I love you, Madam Ruby. Anyways, that's exact words that she said. And he is also a vlogger. A vlogger from Iloilo. Kasi malungkot, sabi niya. We were actually planning to meet and collab early this year. Kaso, my schedule will fit in and the pandemic, kung mag-meet sana kami, hindi na. Kaya it's not advisable to meet din and talk ngayong season. Kaya na-cancel ang ating vlog with him. Yan, we are here in his intersection. If you go straight, that's going to Dumaraw, Capiz. If you go right, that's San Enrique, and going left is Calino. Calino, is in the center of Iloilo. And if you are, wala ko na point sa inyo. Sa likod ng City Mall kanina, nadaanan natin ang City Mall. Sa likod niya ay Ceres Terminal. So, kung papunta kang Calino, pwede kang sumakay dito. Ceres Terminal. Saan sa ng Calino. Or even went to Rojas via Calino. Meron din bus. Yung Ceres bus. Went to Rojas pero via Calino. And we have here Jollibee Mind Stick. Parang luton ang ito. Kain tayo after natin i-announce sino yung ating dapat na shout out. Ngayon si Jolly, Happy, Wacky, Vlogger. His channel is to entertain you guys. Let's all welcome his channel name in this vlog, Nonoy Brown. May TV ba sa tulo ng pangalan mo? Nonoy Brown niya. Meron. Nonoy Brown TV. Sama natin at masigabong maingay na pagsigaw sa'yo. Nonoy Brown TV. Alright. Tayo po ay mag-a-advertisement kasi iinom tayo na gatas. Kanina umaga tayo ay nagkape. Ngayon ay bitawan nito. Isang pack. Diba? Dadalhan ko ng isang pack. Nakakahula. Ulit, ang makakahula kung anong gatas yung iniinom ko ngayon ay padadalhan ko ng isang pack. Ito. ako? Paano mo nalaman na Ilonggo ako? Paano mo nalaman na Ilonggo ako? Paano? Hindi, kasi stereotype is telling you that when you speak that phrase, you would say, paano mo nalaman na Ilonggo ako? Gumaganon. Pero not all Ilonggo speak that way. You could only speak, paano mo nalaman na Ilonggo ako? Diba? There's that gist of course, we know you're Ilonggo, but we don't speak like, paano mo nalaman na Ilonggo ako? Diba? People say it that way. But no! You're making it funny. It's not funny, no. So, paano mo nalaman na Ilonggo ako? Oo, diba? Swab lang! Walang ito! Ganun din eh, Ilonggo din eh. Pero at least, hindi ko stereotype na paano mo nalaman na Ilonggo ako. Diba? Ganun kasi yun eh. But you know, sometimes you speak nice and good and perfect Filipino. Pero, kadalasan, lumalabas talaga yung tono ng Ilonggo. So, tanong nga, is paano mo nalaman na Ilonggo ako? Diba? Yun yung malaking tanong. Kung paano mo nalaman na Ilonggo ako. Hindi ko naman sinabi sa'yo kung paano ako na Ilonggo ako. I mean, pero paano mo nalaman na Ilonggo ako? Ding, 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 ding. Bang! Chicka, 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 bang, bang! Chicka, 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 bang, bang! Eh, kasi naman eh. Paano mo nalaman na Ilonggo ako? Hindi, yung totoo. Paano mo nalaman na Ilonggo ako? Hindi naman ako nagsasabi kung paano mo nalaman na Ilonggo ako. Ganun eh. Ganun yun sila eh. Paano mo nalaman na Ilonggo ako? Diba? It's not that way. Man, paano mo nalaman na Ilonggo ako? Ganun din eh. Pero totoo naman oh. Paano mo nalaman na Ilonggo ako? Diba? Paano mo nalaman na Ilonggo ako? Swabe lang po. Totoong vlog. Hanggang makaabot tayo ng topics. Yun na yung sisigawan ay isa sa mga nakatrabaho. Naku, napadpad sa ibang lugar, sa ibang isla. Siya ay isang estudyante pa lang. Yung mga panahon yun, pero ngayon ay kasama ko na din sa trabaho. Hey! Ang galing-galing. Siya ay nakasama ko na din sa isang pelikula. Max naman! At kami ay nakasali at nakipagkita sa CCB. Max naman! Uy, ang ganda dito. Meron ding malaking space. Ay, water pala. Galit sa likod. Kami ay nagpunta sa Baguio City. Para maghanap ng dolphin. Nuts. Para maghanap ng dolphin. Punta kami sa Baguio. Yun lang, nahanap namin ang isang nuts naman! No, joking aside. Then, wala kaming nakita ang dolphin. Kasi during that time, may papasok na bagyo. And ayaw na ayaw pala ng dolphin pag moving yung water. So, nung pumunta kami, this is dumaraw na pala ng public market. Diyan din nagda-drop off yung mga cereals at van para mag-CR. Alright. Kasama Chun chun! Merry Christmas in advance! Yeah! Ngayon tayo na ay nasa dumaraw pa rin. Let's see. Ito po. Yeah. Dumaraw pa rin tayo. Dito yung mga kantingan. So kung gusto niyo kumain ng kanting, kanting is goat. Goat stew. Stew. Goat stew. Dito kayo sa dumaraw kumain. Hindi ko pa alam kung paano ba yung magiging vlog natin for mukbang. Gusto ko kasing kumain sa loob ng sasakyan. Pero kung papayagan nila tayong dalhin yung pagkainan sa labas ng kanilang restaurants, diba? Pwede magbili. Pero pag hindi, paano na yun? Kasi maliit lang yung table. Ano yun? May karabaw naman yun. Kung alam nyo, eto kwento lang. Before the pandemic, nakaschedule na sana ako. Akyat ako ng bundok ng Antique. Tapos, continuation to ng aking Hello Miss B. Dahil magpapaturo ako paano mag-farming at sasakay ng Carabao. Doon sa bundok ng Antique. Kaso, dahil sa pandemic, ay na-cancel yung lakad natin. At hindi na natin alam kung kailan tayo makakaakyat sa bundok ng Antique. Ayun. Nandito na po tayo sa kwartero. Atis. Kwartero na tayo. Ito yung isa sa mga nagustuhan kong road. Diversion road dito. Kasi 4 lanes na straight, maya-maya. Maglabas ng kwartero ground. Magaling pag straight na tayo, straight. Dahil susunod na sisigawan natin ay isa na namang vlogger. Isang vlogger na tulad ni Fermin ay hindi din siya naninirahan kasalukuyan sa Pilipinas. Siya din ay nasa labas ng Pilipinas. Siya din isang OFW and slash face to face sure if citizen na siya outside. But I think so. Am I right? Can you comment down below if you are already or have a dual citizen? We are eto na yung sinasabi ko, nagugustuhan kong part ng Fortero. Kasi 4 days. Nanahimik eh. Yan, gusto ko talaga yung kasi yung pag nagdadrive ako dito. Speaking of driver, of driving, our next shout-outer ay live ng our vlogs din. Lately, sinushoot niya yung kanyang long drive kasama ang kanyang bagong sasakyan. Congratulations! Isa siya sa mga naunang nakilala ko din sa grupo IBCC. At sila ang The Flowers and Content Creators last year. At isa sa mga kapagkwentuhan ko dahil siya ay isang professional photographer slash videographer. On the right side is Dao, Municipality of Dao. So kung pumasok tayo doon sa right ng Y ay pasok tayo sa Dao at mamaya ay makikita ko kung saan ka lalabas pag pumasok ka sa munisipyo ng Dao. Municipality pala ng Dao. Dito is going straight. On the left is Dao. Dao. subscribe to his channel. His channel is, and he is Casey Armada. Casey Armada. Isang malaking shout out sa'yo. Isang shout out sa'yo. Yeah, yeah. Tayo po ay palabas na daong dito na po tayo sa Sigma. Dito sa Sigma mamaya tayo po sa ang daan ay ito. What? Paliko. Dapat pala din tayo sa parang dito. Dito na tayo sa lawaan. Ito na yung Sigma, yung intersection kung saan pag diretso tayo ay papuntang Kalibot. But since we're going to rise, we turn right. Right. We are now near at Sigma. And dito later, marami tayong S. Sigma. S roads. Kaya mag-meet time ako in a while pag nasa S na tayo. Tulad ng kanina sa Tiken. Speaking of S, ang pang-pitong shoutout natin ay sisimula sa letra S. Ang pangalan ng pang-pitong sisigawan namin ay nagsisimula sa letra S. Itong nakakatuwa kasi he's a total S. Stranger sa akin. Last year, I covered an event. Sumali ako, join. Umattend ako sa isang event ng mga gamers kung saan may in-invite sila ng mga vloggers at isa siya sa mga fans ng vloggers na pumunta sa Pilipinas. At ako nandun para mag-interview sa mga vloggers. loob ng sasakyan para pumunta sa venue ng event. Imagine. Kaya kami nagkaibigan. Pinakilala ko siya actually sa mother ko. Akala ng mother ko, kilala ko na siya. Well, though we are not friends that time. We were total strangers. And we became friends in just an hour. Kasi may common friends kami. Yung friend niya ay pinsan ko. Kaya kami naging magkaibigan. At mahilig din siya sa aso. Kaya ito naging sigma dahil sa mga S-roads tulad nito. Kung na-notice nyo, hindi ba kayo nakikilo? Yun. Kasi nasa sigma tayo. The first time ko! Oh my God, hindi sa swore! Naputol yung kuryente. First time kong dumaan sa Antique ay nahilo ako sa mga S-roads. Sa mundo. Bukid. Kanina medyo nasanay na ng kaunti. Very kaunti. Dito, noon ay medyo mahilo-hilo tayo. Pero at least 4 lanes siya. Kaya medyo okay. Okay ang biyahe. Kahit S. Hindi na yung road ay pinakayos na. Dahil sa mga road ngayon at sa road trip namin ng pang-ito, sisigawan natin. Shout out! Kayo po ay mag-subscribe sa kanyang YouTube channel. Our 7th shout outer goes to Sam Beer of Project Poetry. Ting, 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 ting. Please subscribe to his channel. Sam Project Poetry. Yay! May reklamo ka? Itawag sa LTFRB. Telephone number 329-4385. That's 329-2835. Cheka! Bulalo. Keep distance. Keep distance. lumaki na ako, you know, I have to maintain my figure. That's my figure, girl. I have to maintain my figure. Pwede tayong kumain. Pero, couple it with exercise para hindi tayo lumaki at lumabok kasi yung trabaho natin requires us to move around. And how could we move around if we cannot carry ourselves active lifestyle kung baka yung pandemic, hindi na tayo makakapag-walking. But you could walk inside your house, stroll around. Hindi na tayo nakakapag-boxing. But at least, pwede tayong sumuntok ng feeling. Of course naman. It's so masakit sa puso. Hindi na tayo nakakapag-saya ng cold air dance. But at least, merong TikTok. TikTok na nga ako dito. Basta yun. Subscribe! Follow me sa TikTok. It's dahil dyan ang ating pangwalo at huli sisigawan ay si Mayfit TV. Mayfit TV, maraming salamat sa iyong panonood ng aking video at sana ay makilala kita. Paki-comment down below kung nakaabot tong video. Shoutout po sa inyo! Tayo po ay larga. Nakapilitan ko siguro yung title. Ayan. Let's see our memory. Hello. Hindi na ako marunong. Hindi na ako nakaka-memorize. Yan. Pag hindi ko ginagamit yung utak ko, nagsiligpit siya. My memory. Walo lang sila. We have May, Kim, Suson. What's your name again, girl? May? What's your name? Lagi TV lang I remember. Wow. May. Fit. Tama, Fit. Mayfit TV. We have Sam Biro of Project Country. Then we have Casey Armada. Then we have Giselle Villagreen. Giselle Villagreen. And Nonoy Brown TV. Nonoy Brown TV. Sean Fair. Of course, we have Fermin Danielas. Christian Official. And lastly, Mariel Gutierrez. Thank you so much. And on our right is the Ibisan drop off bagsakan ng mga seafood. So welcome to the seafood capital of the Philippines, Capiz. And now we are here. Entering Ibisan, and we will go via Lawaan. Dito, we will turn right. Last time, from Rojas going to Calico, we came from the back portion of Rojas. We're in liters of gas. Currently, it's 4:25. 2 hours na tayo nagbabiyahe. Pag sumakay ka ng serious na bus, nag-limit ng speed. Minimum of 3 hours. Dapat 3 hours talaga yung speed ng Ceres. Hindi ka dapat bibilis doon to avoid the accidents. So, ngayon, eto na tayo sa highway. Going on. Gana tayo. Sa wakas. City proper. Hindi na tayo dadaan or hindi na tayo papalong sa Pueblo del Benay. Saan ang drop-off point ng Ceres at van. Doon tayo nagsimula last time with first episode. Here's our first episode. Drive carefully. Matagal-tagal na din ako hindi nakadaan dito. Kadalasan kasi doon ako sa likod. Pero dire-diretso din yung daan dito. At maganda din ang daan dito. 4 lanes compared to the other side na 2 lanes lang. Yun nga lang, mas mahaba to when it comes to kilometers of travel. Then, alam nyo, nasira ko yung toothbrush ko. Sabi ko, nakakita ng hardware, tapos naalala yung toothbrush. Parang, akala mo construction mo. Hindi. No, he's punching eh. What's that plastic bag? Hindi ko alam. Nagtutoothbrush ako 2 days ago. No, yesterday. Yesterday, I was brushing my teeth. Then, I broke my toothbrush. I broke my toothbrush. I still have to buy a toothbrush. Hindi ko alam. Last time, nagbe-braces ako before. Yay! There! Welcome to Raw City! Welcome to Raw City! Welcome to the seafood capital city of the Philippines, Rojas City. Live here on Beanspire YouTube channel. Break it down, yo! Bang, 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 bang! So, ito, diretso nito. Straight lang yung road. And we are down to the downtown. Alright! Ayun. So, nasira ko yung boss. Congratulations! Now we are here another crossing. If you are going to the city, turn left. If you are going to the Municipality of Panitan, Pedra, Luto, that's the station on. Right. If you are going to the city, you're turning left. Drive safely. Yeah. It's almost 4 days here. It's almost 4 days here. Nakatingin ako sa mga construction, sure ba? Kasi, pinapahis ko yung, you know, may bao, pinapahis ko yung bao ko. I'm wondering what else can I have to get more beautiful. It's true. Saw your face, crowded. There's a mountain at my left, and it's so beautiful. It's true. Saw your face in a crowded place. I don't know what to do. KNC. We have a national food authority. Yeah, it's getting crowded na. Kasi malapit ng city. Maraming sasakyan. At yung container ng gatas ay hinigigit-gigit sa aking mga. Kasi nalaglag siya. Kasi nalaglag siya. joining me in this 2-day vlog na 4 na episodes, and hopefully we could go back in another loop para makomplete natin ang 8. And no parking, this is just an unloading zone. So, thank you so much for joining me, and you can now go out of the car.
Ayaw kayo nakahapit kamo sa akong nga channel. Kung bago pa lang kamo diri, pinduta ang subscribe button, pati ka ang lingganay, kag hindi pagkalimtin. Ruby Inspired!